Hey guys, Dr. Sharun here and welcome to NEET Buddy, where I am providing you with practice of 100 most repeated NEET MCQs, and the unit we are covering today is Unit 3, Cell, Structure and Function. This is the third video of our weekly 100 NEET MCQ practice series. You can find the previous two videos in the same playlist as this video, the link of which is shared in the description. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. The plasma membrane consists mainly of phospholipid embedded in the protein bilayer, proteins embedded in phospholipid bilayer, proteins embedded in polymer of glucose molecules, or proteins embedded in carbohydrates bilayer. Plasma membrane consists mainly of. Correct answer is option B, that is proteins embedded in phospholipid bilayer. Question number 2. Which is substitution of mitochondria in E. coli? Golgi bodies, mesosomes, ribosomes, or glyoxysomes? Substitution of mitochondria in E. coli. Correct answer is option B, that is mesosomes. Question number 3. Animal cell differs from plant cell in possessing vacuoles, centrosomes, plastids, mitochondria. Animal cell differ from plant cell in possessing. Correct answer is option B, centrosomes. Question number 4. Which of the following organelle does not contain RNA? Which of the following organelle does not contain RNA? Plasma lemma, ribosomes, chromosomes, nucleolus. Correct answer is option A, that is plasma lemma. Question number 5. Cell organelles with membranes are lysosome, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria, nuclei, ribosomes and mitochondria, chromosome, ribosomes and endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes and nuclei. Cell organelle with membranes are. Correct answer is option A, that is lysosomes, Golgi apparatus and mitochondria. Question number 6. Which of the following structures are not found in prokaryotic cell? Plasma membrane, nuclear envelope, ribosomes, mesosomes. Which of the following organelles are not found in prokaryotic cell? Correct answer is option B, that is nuclear envelope. Question number 7. Cellulose is the major component of cell walls of Saccharomyces, Pythium, Xanthomas, Pseudomonas. Major component of cell wall is cellulose in which of the following organisms? Correct answer is option B, Pythium. Question number 8. The two subunits of ribosomes remain united at a critical ion level of calcium, copper, manganese, magnesium. Correct answer is option D, that is magnesium ion. Question number 9. In germinating seeds, fatty acids are degraded exclusively in mitochondria, plastids, glyoxysomes, peroxisomes. In germinating seed, what is the site of degradation of fatty acid? The correct answer is option C, glyoxysomes. Question number 10. Keeping in view the fluid mosaic model of the structure of cell membrane, which one of the following statement is correct with respect to movement of lipid and proteins from one lipid monolayer to the other? Neither protein nor lipid can flip-flop. Both lipid and protein can flip-flop. While lipids are rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. While proteins can flip-flop, lipids cannot. Which of the following is correct with respect to the movement of lipid and proteins in fluid mosaic model of the cell membrane? Correct answer is option C, that is, while lipids can rarely flip-flop, proteins cannot. Question number 11. In light of recent classification of living organism into three domains, which one of the following statements is true about archaea? Archaea completely differs from prokaryotes. Archaea resembles eukarya in all respects. Archaea have some novel features that are absent in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Archaea completely differs from both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Correct answer is option C, that is, archaea has some novel features that are absent in other prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Question number 12. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organs. Which of the following 5 properties of starch A to E make it useful as the storage material? A. Easily translocated. B. Chemical non-reactive. C. Easily digested by animals. D. Osmotically inactive. E. Synthesized during photosynthesis. The useful properties are, 4 options are given. Correct answer is option 3, that is both B and D, chemically non-reactive and osmotically inactive. These two properties allow carbohydrates in form of starch to be the storage substance. Question number 13. Polysomes is formed by ribosomes attached to each other in a linear arrangement, several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA, many ribosomes attached to strand of endoplasmic reticulum, a ribosome with several subunits. Polysome is formed by. Correct answer is option B, several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA. Question number 14. Vacuole in a plant cell, option A, lacks membrane and contains water and excretory substance. Option B, is membrane bound and contains storage proteins and lipids. Option C, is membrane bound and contains water and excretory substances. Option D, lacks membrane and contains air. Vacuole in a plant cell. Correct answer is option C, is membrane bound and contains water and excretory substance. Question number 15. A competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase is malate, malonate, oxaloacetate, alpha-ketoglutarate. Competitive inhibitor of succinic dehydrogenase enzyme. Correct answer is option B, that is malonate. Question number 16. Which of the following are used in gene cloning? Lomasomes, mesosomes, plasmids, nucleoids. Which of the following is used in gene cloning? Correct answer is option C, plasmids are used as vector or carrier of genes in gene cloning. Question number 17. Which one of the following cannot be used for preparation of vaccines against plague? Avirulent live bacteria, synthetic capsulopolysaccharide material, heat-killed suspension of virulent bacteria, formalin inactivated suspension of virulent bacteria. Which of the following cannot be used for preparation of vaccine against plague? Correct answer is option C, heat-killed suspension of virulent bacteria. Question number 18. Cell junctions called as tight, adhering and gap junctions are found in connective tissue, epithelial tissue, neural tissue or muscular tissue. Correct answer is option B, that is epithelial tissue. Question number 19. Which one of the following biomolecules is correctly characterized? Palmitic acid, an unsaturated fatty acid with 18 carbon atoms, adenylic acid, adenosine with glucose phosphate molecule, alanine amino acid, contains an amino group and an acidic group anywhere in the molecule, lecithin, a phosphorylated glyceride found in the cell membrane. The Correct answer is option D, that is lecithin, a phosphorylated glyceraldehyde found in the cell membrane, is correct. Question number 20. Which one of the following cellular parts is correctly described? Centrioles, site of active RNA synthesis. Ribosomes, those on chloroplast are larger while those on cytoplasm are smaller. Lysosome, optimally active at pH of about 8.5. Thylakoids, flattened membrane sac forming grana of the chloroplast. Which of the following cellular parts is correctly described? Correct answer is option D, thylakoids. These are the flattened membranous sac forming the grana of the chloroplast. Question number 21. Identify the meiotic stage in which homologous chromosomes separate while the sister chromatids remain associated at their centromeres. Metaphase 2, anaphase 1, anaphase 2, metaphase 1. The answer is option B, that is anaphase 1. Question number 22. In eukaryotic cell transcription, RNA splicing and RNA capping takes place inside nucleus, dictyosomes, ER or endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes. Correct answer is option A, within the nucleus. Question number 23. An elaborate network of filamentous proteinaceous structures present in the cytoplasm which helps in maintenance of cell shape is endoplasmic reticulum, plasma lemma, cytoskeleton, thylakoids. Maintenance of the cell shape. Correct answer is option C, that is cytoskeleton. Question number 24. Algae have cell wall made up of cellulose, galactin, mannins, hemicellulose, pectin and proteins, pectin, cellulose and proteins, cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin. Algae have cell wall made up of. Correct answer is option A, that is cellulose, galactin and mannin. Question number 25. Polyethylene glycol method is used for biodiesel production, seedless fruit production, energy production from sewage, or gene transfer without a vector. The correct answer is option D, that is it is used for gene transfer without a vector. Question number 26. In sea urchin DNA, which is double stranded, 17% of bases were shown to be cytosine. The percentage of the other three bases expected to be present in this DNA are. The correct option is option B, that is guanine would be 17%, adenine would be 33% and thymine would be 33%. Question number 27. Satellite DNA is useful tool in organ transplantation, sex determination, forensic science, or genetic engineering. Satellite DNA is useful tool in. Correct answer is option C, that is forensic science. Question number 28. The second maturation division of the mammalian ovum occurs shortly after ovulation, before the ovum makes entry into fallopian tube, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm, until the nucleus of sperm has fused with that of ovum in Graafian follicle following the first maturation division. What is the time of the second maturation division in mammalian ovum? Correct answer is option B, until after the ovum has been penetrated by a sperm. Question number 29. Haploids are more suitable for mutation studies than diploids. This is because all mutation, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. Haploids are reproductively more stable than diploids. Mutagens penetrate in haploids more effectively than diploids. Haploids are more abundant in nature than diploids. Haploids are more suitable for mutation studies than diploids because. Correct answer is option A. All mutation, whether dominant or recessive, are expressed in haploids. Question number 30. In DNA molecule, there are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction, other in 3' to 5' direction. The total amount of purine nucleotide and pyrimidine nucleotide is not always equal. There are two strands which run parallel in 5' to 3' direction. The proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with organism. Correct answer is option A. There are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5' direction. Question number 31. Which one of the following pair of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acid is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it? Adenine, thymine, purines, thymine, uracil, pyrimidine, uracil, cytosine, pyrimidine, guanine, adenine, purine. You have to mark which is wrongly matched. The answer is option A, adenine and thymine. Adenine is a purine whereas thymine is a pyrimidine. Question number 32. Three of the following statements about enzymes are correct and one is wrong. Which one is wrong? Enzymes are denatured at high temperature, but in certain exceptional organisms, they are effective even at temperature of 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Enzymes are highly specific. Most enzymes are proteins, but some are lipids. Enzymes require optimum pH for maximal activity. Which statement is incorrect? Correct answer is option C is incorrect. Most enzymes are protein, true, but some are lipid. None of the enzymes are lipid. Question number 33. Which one of the following pairs of chemical substance is correctly categorized? Pepsin, prolactin, two digestive enzymes secreted in stomach. Troponin, myosin, complex proteins in striated muscles. Secretin, rhodopsin, polypeptide hormones. Calcitonin, thymosin, thyroid hormones. Correct categorization of the substance. The correct answer is option B is correct. Both troponin and myosin are complex proteins in striated muscles. Question number 34. Chromatophores take part in respiration, photosynthesis, growth, movement. Answer is option B, that is photosynthesis. Question number 35. Cell wall is absent in nostoc, aspergillus, funaria, mycoplasma. Correct answer is option D, mycoplasma. Question number 36. Which of the following biomolecules does have a phosphodiester bond? Nucleic acid and nucleotide, fatty acid and diglyceride, monosaccharides in polysaccharide, amino acids in polypeptide. Which of the following biomolecules contain a phosphodiester bond? Correct answer is option A, nucleic acid in a nucleotide. Question number 37. Arrange the following events of meiosis in correct sequence. Events are crossing over, synapses, terminalization of chiasmata, disappearance of nucleolus. The arrangement is given in following four options. The correct sequence is option 3, that is first synapses occurs, then crossing over followed by terminalization of chiasmata and finally disappearance of nucleolus. Question number 38. Cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of ligases, restriction enzymes, probes, selectable markers. Cutting of DNA at specific locations became possible with the discovery of. Correct answer is option B, restriction enzymes. Question number 39. Cytochromes are found in outer wall of the mitochondria, cristae of the mitochondria, lysosomes, matrix of mitochondria. Cytochromes are found in. Correct answer is option B, cristae of the mitochondria. Question number 40. DNA is not present in ribosomes, nucleus, mitochondria, chloroplast. DNA is absent in. Correct answer is option A, in ribosomes. Question number 41. True nucleus is absent in Mucor, Eukarya, Volvox, and Abana. True nucleus is absent in. Correct answer is option D, Anabana. Question number 42. The thermostable enzyme TAC and PFU isolated from thermophilic bacteria are RNA polymerases, DNA ligases, DNA polymerases, restriction endonucleases. TAC and PFU, which are thermostable enzymes, are. Correct answer is option C, DNA polymerases, and are used in PCR. Question number 43. The largest gene in man is insulin gene, tumor suppressor gene, beta globin gene of hemoglobin, or dystrophin gene. Largest gene in man is. Correct answer is option D, that is dystrophin gene. Question number 44. Which one of the following statements about particular entity is true? The gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Nucleosome is formed of nucleotides. DNA consists of core of 8 histones. Centromere is found in animal cells, which produces aster during cell division. Correct answer is option A, that is the gene producing insulin is present in every body cell. Question number 45. There is no DNA in mature RBC, a mature spermatozoa, hair root, or enucleated ovum. No DNA is seen in. Correct answer is option A, in a mature RBC there is no DNA. Question number 46. Synapses occurs between mRNA and ribosomes, spindle fiber and centromere, two homologous chromosomes, a male and a female gamete. Synapses occurs between. Correct answer is option C, two homologous chromosomes. Question number 47. Most active phagocytic white blood cells are neutrophils and eosinophils, lymphocytes and macrophages, eosinophils and lymphocytes, neutrophils and the monocytes. Most active phagocytic WBCs are. Correct answer is option D, neutrophils and monocytes. Question number 48. Which one of the following structures is an organelle within an organelle? Peroxisomes, endoplasmic reticulum, mesosomes, ribosomes. Organelle within an organelle. Correct answer is option D, that is ribosomes. Question number 49. The main arena of various types of activities of a cell is plasma membrane, mitochondria, cytoplasm, nucleus. Main arena of various types of activities of a cell is. Correct answer is option C, that is cytoplasm. Question number 50. Infectious proteins are present in Gemini virus, prions, viroids, satellite virus. Infectious proteins are present in. Correct answer is option B, that is prions. Question number 51. Which of the following is not a membrane bound organelle? Mesosomes, vacuoles, ribosomes, lysosomes. Which of the following is not a membrane bound organelle? Correct answer is option C, that is ribosomes are not membrane bound. Question number 52. Which of the following enhances or induces fusion of protoplast? Option A, polyethylene glycol and sodium nitrate. Option B, IAA and kinetin. Option C, IAA and gibberellin. Option D, sodium chloride and potassium chloride. Which of the following induces fusion of protoplasts? The Correct answer is option A, that is polyethylene glycol or PEG and sodium trinitrate. Question number 53. The structures that are formed by stacking of organized flattened membranous sac in the chloroplast is grana, stromal lamellae, stroma or cristae. Correct answer is option A, grana. Question number 54. Which is the most common mechanism of genetic variation in the population of sexually reproducing organisms? Chromosomal aberration, genetic drift, recombination or transduction. Most common mechanism of genetic variation in sexually producing organisms. Correct answer is option C, that is recombination. Question number 55. The hemoglobin of human fetus, option A, has higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Option B, has lower affinity for oxygen than that of adult. Option C, its affinity for oxygen is same as that of an adult. Or option D, has only 2 protein subunits instead of 4. Correct answer is option A, it has higher affinity for oxygen than that of an adult. Question number 56. A somatic cell that has just completed the S phase of its cell cycle as compared to gamete of the same species has same number of chromosomes but twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosomes and 4 times the amount of DNA, 4 times the number of chromosomes and twice the amount of DNA, twice the number of chromosomes and twice the amount of DNA. Correct answer is option B, twice the number of chromosome and 4 times the amount of DNA. Question number 57. Which one of the following is not an inclusion body found in prokaryotes? Cyanophycean granule, glycogen granule, polysome, phosphate granule. Which of the following is not an inclusion body? Correct answer is option C, polysome. Question number 58. Multiple alleles are present. Option A, at different loci on same chromosome, same locus of the chromosome, non-sister chromatids on different chromosomes. Multiple alleles are present. Correct answer is option B, at the same locus of chromosomes. Question number 59. Select the correct statement from one given below with respect to a dihybrid cross. Tightly linked genes on the same chromosome show higher recombination. Genes far apart on same chromosome show very few recombination. Genes loosely linked on same chromosome show similar recombination as the tightly linked ones. The tightly linked on the same chromosome shows very few recombination. Correct answer is option D. Tightly linked genes on same chromosome shows very few recombination. Question number 60. Stroma in chloroplast of higher plants contain light dependent enzymes, ribosomes, chlorophyll, light independent reaction enzymes. Stroma in chloroplast of higher plants contain. Correct answer is option D, light independent reaction enzymes. Question number 61. Which one of the following pairs is wrongly matched? Alcohol nitrogenase, fruit juice pectinase, textile amylase, detergents lipase. The correct answer is option A, fruit juice pectinase. Question number 62. In an average composition of cell, protein makes up 70%, 15%, 7% or 3%. In an average composition of cell, protein makes up. The correct answer is option B, 15% of the cell composition. Question number 63. Cells obtained from cancerous tumors are known as hybridomas, myelomas, lymphocytes, monoclonal cells. Correct answer is option B, that is myeloma cells. Question number 64. Nucleotides are formed by purine, sugar and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine and phosphate, purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. Nucleotides are formed by. Correct answer is option C, purine, pyrimidine, sugar and phosphate. Question number 65. DNA replication occurs in G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase or M phase. Replication of DNA occurs in, correct answer is option B, that is S phase. Question number 66. In DNA, when AGCT occurs, their association is as per which of the following pair? Option A with G, C with T. Option B, A with T, G with C. Or option C, A with C, G with T. Or option D, all of these. Correct answer is option B, A with T and G with C. Question number 67. A segment of DNA has 120 adenine and 120 cytosine bases. The total number of nucleotides present in the segment is option A 60, option B 240, option C 120 or option D 480. Correct answer is option D, that is 480. Question number 68. Lactose is composed of glucose plus glucose, glucose plus galactose, glucose plus fructose or fructose plus galactose. Lactose is composed of. Correct answer is option B, that is glucose plus galactose. Question number 69. Meiosis is best observed in dividing cells of lateral meristem, cells of apical meristem, microsporocytes, microspores and anther cell. Meiosis is best observed in the dividing. Correct answer is option C, microsporocytes. Question number 70. Satellite DNA is important because it codes for enzymes needed in DNA replication, codes for proteins needed in cell cycle, shows high degree of polymorphism in population, and also the same degree of polymorphism in an individual, which is heritable from parents to child. Option D, it does not code for proteins and is same in all members of population. Satellite DNA is of importance because. Correct answer is option C, because it shows high degree of polymorphism. Question number 71. Balbiani rings are site of RNA and protein synthesis, lipid synthesis, nucleotide synthesis, polysaccharide synthesis. Balbiani rings are site of. Correct answer is option A, protein and RNA synthesis. Question number 72. Identify the correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Chromosome, genome, nucleotide, gene, chromosome, gene, genome, nucleotide, genome, chromosome, nucleotide, gene, genome, chromosome, gene, nucleotide. Correct order of organization of genetic material from largest to smallest. Correct answer is option D. Genome is the largest, followed by chromosome, genes and nucleotide. Question number 73. During mitosis, endoplasmic reticulum and nucleolus begin to disappear at late prophase, early metaphase, late metaphase, early prophase. Correct answer is option A, that is late prophase. Question number 74. RNA or DNA segment tagged with radioactive molecule is called as vector, probe, clone, plasmid. RNA or DNA segment tagged with radioactive molecule is called as. Correct answer is option B, that is probe. Question number 75. Select the correct matching in the following pairs. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of lipids. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, synthesis of glycogen. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of fatty acid. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, oxidation of phospholipids. Select the correct matching for the following pairs. Correct answer is option A, smooth endoplasmic reticulum associated with synthesis of lipids. Question number 76. The movement of a gene from one linkage group to another is called duplication, translocation, crossing over, inversion. Movement of gene from one linkage group to another is called. Correct answer is option B, that is translocation. Question number 77. Which of the following is an epidermal cell containing chloroplast? Stomata, hydathode, guard cell, none of these. Epidermal cell containing chloroplast. Correct answer is option C, that is guard cell. Question number 78. Chromosomes in which centromere is situated close to one end is called as acrocentric, telocentric, submetacentric, metacentric. Correct answer is option A, acrocentric chromosomes. Question number 79. Nuclear envelope is a derivative of cell membrane of Golgi complex, microtubules, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear envelope is derivative of. The correct answer is option C, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 80. Pick up the wrong statement. Nuclear membrane is present in Monera. Cell wall is absent in Animalia. Protista have photosynthetic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Some fungus are edible. Which of the following statement is wrong? Correct answer is option A is wrong. Nuclear membrane is absent in Monera, not present. Question number 81. In photosynthesis, light independent reaction takes place at stromal matrix, thylakoid lumen, photosystem 1, photosystem 2. In photosynthesis, light independent reaction takes place at. Correct answer is option A, stromal matrix. Which of the following is not a primary metabolite? Option A, cholesterol. Option B, essential oils. Option C, essential amino acids. Or option D, lecithin. Which of the following is not a primary metabolite? The correct answer is option B, essential oils. For example, the lemongrass oil, it is not a primary metabolite, it is a secondary metabolite which is produced in plants. Question number 83. Polysome is formed by several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA, many ribosomes attached to a strand of endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome with several subunits, ribosome attached to each other in linear arrangement. Polysome is formed by. Correct answer is option A, several ribosomes attached to a single mRNA strand. Question number 84. In humans, at the end of first meiotic division, the male germ cells differentiate into spermatozonia, primary spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, or spermatids. After the first meiotic division, the male germ cell differentiate into. Correct answer is option C, that is secondary spermatocytes. Question number 85. Which one of the following pairs of plant structures have haploid number of chromosomes? Egg nucleus and secondary nucleus, megaspore mother cell and antipodal cells, egg cell and antipodal cell, or nucellus and antipodal cells? Haploid number of chromosomes. The correct answer is option C, that is egg cell and antipodal cells. Question number 86. Plasmodesmata are locomotory structure, membrane connecting nucleus with plasma lemma, connection between adjacent cells, lignified cemented layer between cells. Plasmodesmata are. Correct answer is option C, that is connection between adjacent cells. Question number 87. Cytoskeleton is made up of callose deposits, cellulosic microfibrils, proteinaceous filaments, calcium carbonate granules. Cytoskeleton is made up of. Correct answer is option C, that is proteinaceous filaments. Question number 88. The 3' 5' phosphodiester linkage inside a polynucleotide chain serves to join one nucleoside with another nucleoside, one nucleotide with another nucleotide, one nitrogenous base with a pentose sugar, one DNA strand with other DNA strand. What is the purpose of 3' 5' phosphodiester linkages? Correct answer is option B, joins one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Question number 89. Single cell eukaryotes are included in. Eukaryotes are included in Protista, fungus, archaea, monera. Correct answer is option A, Protista. Question number 90. Animal cell differs from plant cell in possessing vacuoles, centrosomes, plastids, mitochondria. Correct answer is option B, they possess centrosomes. Question number 91. Polyploidy can be induced by application of auxin, kinetin, colchicine, ethylene. Polyploidy can be induced by application of. Correct answer is option C, that is colchicine. Question number 92. Quantasomes are present in chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi body, lysosomes. Quantasomes are present in. Correct answer is option A, that is chloroplast. Question number 93. In mitochondria, enzyme cytochrome oxidase is present in outer membrane, perimitochondrial space, inner membrane or matrix. Correct answer is option C, in the inner membrane. Question number 94. Which of the following cell organelles is associated with photorespiration? Mitochondria, peroxisomes, chloroplast, all of these. Which of the following cell organelle is associated with photorespiration? Correct answer is option D, all of the above three. Question number 95. The thickness of unit membrane is 20 Armstrong, 35 Armstrong, 55 Armstrongs or 75 Armstrongs. The thickness of unit membrane is. Correct answer is option D, that is 75 Armstrong. Question number 96. A protoplast is a cell without cell wall, without plasma membrane, without nucleus, undergoing division. The correct answer is option A, that is a cell without cell wall. Question number 97. An abnormal human baby with XXX XXX sex chromosome was born due to formation of abnormal ova in mother, fusion of 2 ova and 1 sperm, fusion of 2 sperm and 1 ova, formation of abnormal sperm in father. Abnormal human baby with XXX sex chromosome was born due to. The correct answer is option A, due to formation of abnormal ova in the mother. Question number 98. Membrane bound organelle are absent in Saccharomyces, Streptococcus, Chlamydomonas or Plasmodium. Membrane bound organelles are absent in. Correct answer is option B, that is Streptococcus, which is a bacteria. Question number 99. Which one of the following has its own DNA? Mitochondria, dictyosome, lysosome, peroxisome. Which of the following organelle contains its own DNA? Correct answer is option A, that is mitochondria. Question number 100. Which of the following cell organelle stores hydrolytic enzymes? Centriole, lysosome, chromoplast, chloroplast. Which of the following organelle stores hydrolytic enzymes? Correct answer is option B, that is lysosomes. So those were the 100 MCQs from cell, structure and function. Do share your score down in the comment section. I hope you find these weekly practice videos helpful in boosting your speed and confidence and giving you an extra edge over other NEET aspirants. I'll see you guys again in our next Sunday's video, and this time we'll be covering 100 MCQs from Unit 4 of Class 11th NCERT Biology. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you are new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.